Are you looking to raise your confidence levels? We're going to do an EFT tapping sequence today, and all you need to do is tap along with me on the points and repeat either silently or out loud to yourself the phrases or make them your own. My name's Derrick Ivey. I'm a board certified clinical hypnotherapist, researcher, intuitive, and tapping practitioner. Let's get started. Even though I'm not fully sure of myself, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. I'm taking full responsibility for my own well being. Even though I'm not at the highest level of confidence I could be, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. All of this lack of confidence in me, all of these reasons around me why I can't accomplish what I want to accomplish. Seemingly so many reasons that I'm going to fail. The inner critic, fear of people in the external world tearing me down. Maybe I've failed on other things in the past. Maybe it just seems too hard. Maybe it feels like I can't do it. Maybe it feels like I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy enough. Something's wrong with me. It's easy for other people, but not for me. But there's a reason my soul wants me to try. It's why I'm here tapping right now. I'm open to raising my confidence. I'm open to being confident. So first I'm going to ask myself, whose voice is that in my head? taking my confidence down? Is it a parent or an early caregiver? Is it someone who's in my life now? I'm choosing to recognize what's happening here. Just through having that awareness, I'm beginning to shift things. At a deep level, I know I am good enough. I know I am worthy. I know I have the capacity to be confident. And I'm opening to that. I'm stepping into the observer role. I'm observing the voice that says, I can't do this. I'm watching the voice that says, I'm going to be embarrassed if I share who I really am. I'm quieting the voice that is worried about what other people might think. I'm remembering it's not about other people. I'm doing this for me. I'm open to shining my brilliance. I'm open to helping others through that. You can see a clear vision of myself as a confident person. My confidence inspires others. I close the door on those voices that tell me otherwise. I open the door to who I really am. I open the door to who I really came here to be. I'm willing to face all the energy that's involved. And once I'm willing to face what I fear, then it's not so scary anymore. I've already been there in consciousness. I'm making a decision from here on out to be guided by the highest part of me. To be guided by the highest version of me. I exude confidence from my being. My confidence inspires me and others to more. I remember we're spinning on a planet in the middle of nowhere. That can help me be more confident. That can put things in perspective. I am allowed to be myself. I am allowed to make mistakes. I give myself permission to make mistakes. I open to the good, the bad, the ugly. And I let my authenticity guide me. Where am I authentically drawn to go? What am I authentically drawn to do? The only reason I desire things is because the divine mind wants them through me. So I'm letting that be my guide. The fact that I'm here in this body at this time is evidence enough that I am divinely loved. I want what I want. I like what I like. I am who I am. I'm breathing in confidence. Breathing out fear. No matter what I feel, I will be present with me. For I know that I am safe. I know it is safe to be me. It is safe to shine my light. It's safe because I work towards the highest good of everyone. It's safe because I have good intentions. It's safe to share, it's safe to receive. And I'm grounding into that safety. And I'm clearing everything from my personal history. that made me feel not very confident. And I open myself to the deepest energy of confidence. Every cell, every atom, every molecule, in body, mind, and spirit. I shine my light with the world. Peace. Take a big, deep breath in and exhale. And I'd like for you now just to take note. How do you feel? Do you feel more confident? Wash, rinse, lather, repeat if you need to. I hope you go out there, have a great day, and really feel confident in the beauty of yourself and of your own authentic gifts in our planet, no matter what that looks like for you. So I'd love if you could subscribe to the channel. It really helps us get this work out to more people who need it. You can also like, comment, and share, and I absolutely love hearing from you. And thank you so much for being a part of this here today. We'll talk soon.